How to receive emails from Google Play. Hello guys, in this video I will show you how to receive emails from Google Play. First go to Play Store and then click on your profile account here. Click on it, this one, and then click settings, and now click general, and then click this one, account and device preferences. Click on it, and now all you need to do is just turn this one on, and you will receive emails with news and offers from Google Play. And you can turn it off again if you want. Just click on it. And that's today's video. If you like it, don't forget like and subscribe, and see you in the next video.